How to change the turn signal light bulbs in a Fiat 500. This is a 2023. It's going to work on 2023 and after, and pretty much work on earlier ones as well. It's quite simple. We just need to pop the hood or open the bonnet. If you don't know how to do that, I'll put a link down below to how to do it. It's quite easy. And you're going to need your replacement bulbs. And I'll go ahead and put a link down below as well to where you can get the bulbs. We don't need any tools or anything like that. We're just going to come in behind, on either side, and it's going to look like, if you can see this here, this is where the turn signal is, and we have the same one over here, if you can see that. And what we're going to do is we're going to come in and just do a little turn counterclockwise, just like a notch counterclockwise, like this. And this is kind of a two-handed job. It's a little hard for me to do it with one hand. It's kind of a two-handed job. You're going to turn it, and then you just kind of pop it out. There we go, popped out. And so then what we're going to do is we're going to remove this turn signal from the backing assembly. So you're just going to kind of turn it and slide it off, just like that. Turn it and slide it off, and this entire piece is going to be replaced. So then you're just going to come in with your new light and put this back together like this, and then turn it. We turned it clockwise to take it off. We're going to turn it kind of counterclockwise to lock it back on. So once we've replaced our bulb in the little assembly here, we're just going to come back here and come back and find this hole again where we had taken it out, and just kind of press it back in the way it had been, and then turn it, and then turn it. So I got to get my hands in here so I can turn it properly, and just turn it back until this line is straight across again, and that's it.